Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with my knives, and I'm gonna do a quick overview of my collection because you guys requested it, and here I am doing it. And as of May 2021, this is gonna be just a snapshot of the current state of my collection, which is gonna probably change in 5 minutes after I'm done shooting this video, because I like to buy, I like to sell, I like to keep, I like to play with them, I like to change my mind. And yeah, so the collection is gonna change. So you're gonna see probably lots of Shiro in this collection, but let's just get started. I've got some trays here because the table doesn't allow me to put all my stuff on the table. So let's just quickly go through some of the cheap stuff. This is the Kubi Knives Carve. It's a really fantastic one. Budget knife, G10 scales, liner lock, really an outstanding one. Really nice. Next up you got CVV Brazen, Tanto, Blacked Out, D2 Steel. It's really interesting, guys. This is a very cool budget knife, nice action, also liner lock and G10. And then we've got Ruiki P801, that's the SB knife in 14C28 steel, stainless steel, frame lock, really cool, runs on bearings, cool design, action is nice as well. And then you've got North Arm Knives Skaha 2.0. This is made in BC, or like made in, like as you can see here, Lace in BC. That's the 420 edition. In fact, you can see 420 right over there. Fantastic knife, guys. Also G10 liner lock, stupid smooth action. Next up we've got an interesting one. This is the James brand The County. This is walnut inlay. It's a nice slip joint with a nice walk and talk. Look at that, it's snappy for sure. It's a nice one. Next to that, there's this guy, which is gonna probably go. This is the Ultra X bat, and it's just a crazy action. Probably not my favorite design ever, but the action, guys, for a budget knife is just ridiculous. And then we got some Shiro, because the Shiro tray was full. So you've got Shirogorov Neon Zero Frag Bronze here, and this is just like a fantastic little knife, guys. Titanium frame lock, M390, monkey edge frag pattern. Look at that. Really cool indeed. Next to that, you can see this F95, also Shirogorov. This is the crazy micarta version, F95 NL in Elmax steel, single row bearings. Just a beauty, guys. This is just a fantastic inlay. Look at that. Next to that, you've got the upgrade to this guy, which is the F95 NL. This is the 3M. This is the fat carbon. The newest iteration. So this is the Arctic Storm, I think it's called, M390, full titanium backspacer. This is just a gorgeous knife, guys. A multi-row bearing system. Crazy smooth action, really cool. Next to that, we've got Chris Reeve knives. That's the Nandi basket weave Damascus and carbon fiber scales. It's a pretty cool one. Fantastically light, really cool design, super unobtrusive look. Very nice gentleman knife right there. Up here we've just got some Shirogorov pen tool. This is the custom division marble, carbon fiber and titanium. Just a fantastic one. You know, these guys are opening like that, and you've got you can just screw this guy in like so, and you've got a pen, and it's just beautiful. And on the inside you find, of course, the custom division bit right over here. So you just unscrew the cap, and boom, you have the bits right there. So really fantastic. If you got some custom division knives, guys, with the custom division bit, I suggest you get one of those. And here you've got Shirogorov tweezer set with the tool. They have some nice matching copper caps. This guy spins, of course. You've got the bits on the inside, and this tool, this tweezer set, is gonna help you with the bearings inside the knife. And next up, there's the Shirogorov pen tool. This is also monkey frag pattern, same thing, you unscrew, you got the pen. This is a little bit different. This is Shirogorov and CRK design collaboration, so it is also a pen. It doesn't unscrew like those, I mean it is, but just to change the refill. And you've got the CRK bit up here, right inside the cap. So it's really nice, guys. Nicely milled. You got also this window here where you can see if you're using it as a tool or as a pen. Really cool. And of course, this is another Shirogorov pen tool, titanium. Really cool with the regular bits inside. Let's just quickly change the tray, and here you've got another set of knives. Mainly here you see what I use for size comparison. In fact, you've got Ontario Rad number 2, of course, with some titanium scales. You probably know these guys. That's the Ontario Rad number 1. And of course, blacked out blade. I'm trying to keep like something matching, as you can see. Of course, you've got mini bag out and bag out. They have both titanium scales and carbon fiber backspacer. And blacked out blade, of course, S30V for the mini bag out, and 20CV for the bag out. Of course, matching set. Another matching set I've got here is the Spyderco Para 3 with Flytanium scales and A Purvis Timascus pocket clip. This guy is S35VN steel, right over here. It's a really cool one for sure. And of course, matching Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Also Flytanium scales. This guy has titanium backspacer. This guy doesn't. I couldn't find actually a backspacer for the Para 3. Purvis Timascus pocket clip as well. S30V steel on the Paramilitary 2. I think looks really good. And next up you've got this Chris Reeve knives, small Sebenza 21 with spirograph Damascus blade. This is a beauty. Fantastic knife, guys. 100% love it. And of course you've got the bigger brother, large Sebenza 21. This is in basket weave Damascus. It's one of my favorite patterns, together with the spirograph hawk clip. It's a classic. I mean, these two guys are just fantastic. And then you've got this bad boy here. This is CKF Custom Knife Factory Snafu 2.0, designed by Peter Rassenti. Soon they will release like a smaller version of this big boy. Fantastic integral titanium knife, just gorgeously designed by Peter. Next to this, this is a custom knife. This is the 520 designed and executed by hand by Philippe Georget. Truly a gorgeous knife, guys. This is just outstanding. It's just like ridiculous. Sound, look, feel, fit and finish. Just fantastic. Up here you've got another Shirogorov, actually. This is Shirogorov CRK collaboration. That's the Kami flipper. Really outstanding design. Love the clip, how it's designed. Has been designed. Probably not the best solution for the screws. Like here, they're a little bit too indented. But guys, I really love this one. It's just one of the most satisfactory knives that I own, and handle to blade ratio is just sick. It is a truly fantastic one. Action is ridiculously good. Up here we've got Koenig knives. That's an Arius Generation 4 style 55. As you can see, this is a titanium frame lock. Really cool flipper, guys. The feel in the hand is just amazing on this one. Just super solid one. You can just spidey flick it, you can thumb flick it, you can do whatever you want with this one. It's just that good. Vero, that's the Synapse hand rub satin, micarta scales, titanium. It's a very good one, guys. M390 steel. I mean, it's well put together. It's numbered. The action is also super good, like very smooth, like the clip like that. Nicely designed for sure. And another classic here. This is the Hinder Knives XM18. That's the 3.5-inch version with fuller and flipper delete, generation 6 with the tri-way pivot, as you can see, and it's just fantastic. In this one, I just changed the hardware, put like like a bronze titanium set with some sharp dressed knives, carbon fiber scale, because it's just looking so good and like that. I mean, this is just a gorgeous knife. Let me just take another tray, and this is going to be the Shiro tray. So there's some Shirogorov here, as you can see. We've got F95 NL, one more. This is the the sticker that the factory puts on the knife, so you see, like, oops, there's two. So this is like a seal, like you know that the knife hasn't been disassembled, and this is just fantastic. It's ridiculous. F95 NL, that's the refined version with the fat carbon inlays and full back spacer. Here you've got Quantum, that's the blue anodized Quantum, that's the newest iteration with the clip and the back spacer, which are not anodized. And this guy is probably the smoothest Quantum I've ever tried. It's just fantastic. This is already spoken for, but it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous piece, guys. Really, really cool. And then you've got some Shirogorov custom division. Here is Hation, blue carbon fiber. Fantastic. That's the screw, the custom division screw. There's some micro milling going on, just outstanding. Blue anodized backspacer and clip, blue colors on both sides. The blade is just ridiculous. Really, really cool indeed. Same size, you've got the Shirogorov Neon NL custom division with some beautiful marble carbon fiber scales, CRK backspacer and collar, and the clip. Yeah, it's just ridiculous. Roller bearings, all the custom divisions are running on roller bearings, single row, and the action is just that smooth. And next up we've got another custom division here. That's the Shirogorov F5 Silk Slim. Really, really cool one, guys. Ridiculous sound, fantastic action. Blue anodized spacer and pocket clip. There's no pivot collar in this custom division, but it's just out of this world. And then you've got also another custom division. That's the F3NS. Full titanium liner lock. Look at that. How cool is this guy? Just check. I don't know if you can appreciate the laser going on this blade. It's just unreal. And of course, next up you've got custom division Quantum. That's the blue and bronze one. Just another fantastic one. Just look at the back spacer going on here. Fantastic. Titanium frame lock. The milling going on this one is just insane. Like, action is like this smooth, like just ridiculously smooth, guys. And next up is F95 Antique, another titanium frame lock with some fingerprints, but it's just gorgeous. I mean, check the matching pivot collar and back spacer going on, and this milling is just extraordinary, and the action is just like this, like butter. And last tray I want to show you guys is some customs I've got here. This is Fontenil Pateau. These are all made to order, of course. Laguiole Nature, mammoth scales and raindrop Damascus blade. Really, really a good one. Feels great in the hand. Just all made by hand, by the way. And this is also Fontenil Pateau Laitière Nature, mammoth pulp, fab edition. Just a gorgeous knife. Raindrop bolsters and blade. You've got, it's a lockback, so you see, like that, just gorgeous. Andrei Grigoriev, this is a prototype. It's a very, very nice titanium liner lock with some Dama core blade going on. Look at the spine. You can see the core going on. It's just a really, really smooth and quiet one. Clean look. Look at that. It's just really, really good. That's a fantastic one, handmade in Russia by Andrei Grigoriev. Here you've got Holt Bladeworks Spectre. That's a V3 Prestige Damascus backspacer and pocket clip fade anodization on the titanium frame. And of course you've got some Dama steel going on. to wrap everything up. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous knife. And here you've got Peter Ascenti, large Nirvana 3.0, fully dressed, Mokutai frame, damask steel, polished blade, like it is a nice frame lock, really good action. Also Mokutai pocket clip, that's the large version. This is the small version. It's actually, this guy is the very last Nirvana 3.0 made, and it has a beautiful mirror washed blade and a contoured handle, fluted titanium frame lock, of course, with some CRK collar right there. Really nice one. Of course, that's the little brother. This is for my buddy, copper color. This is just a stone-washed version, and there's no contouring and no, just stone-washed blade. So just another gorgeous knife from Peter Ascenti. And last but not least, for sure, this is Kirby Lambert Rain. This is carbo quartz, zirconium, dragon skin, Damascus. I mean, Mokutai collar going on. There's lots of things going on in this one, and it's another fantastic knife made in Canada by the master Kirby Lambert himself. So there you have it. I mean, this is all my collection for May 2021. Probably in 5 minutes, yeah, it's gonna be different. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. Thank you.